Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ito nga ay panibagong cooking video at ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay requested by my husband. So natatakam na daw siya ulit na tikman to. So lulutuin natin to for today. So ang dish natin for today ay itong shrimp and mushroom curry. So favorite to ng asawa ko guys, and super sarap kasi nito and super creamy. So, simulan na natin ang ating pagluluto, guys. Painitin natin itong ating kawali. And, kapag mainit na siya, guys, mag-add na tayo ng ating cooking oil. Any cooking oil you can use, but for me, I'm gonna use this olive oil. So, maglagay lang tayo ng olive oil dyan, guys. And, kapag mainit na yan, guys, ilagay na natin ang ating onion. So, isutay natin ng ating onion. So, make sure lang natin na masutay natin na mabuti yung onion natin para yung aroma niya mas masarap or mas maamoy. So, after nyan, isusunod din natin yung ating, syempre yung ating garlic. So, after the garlic, guys, let's add also ang ating ginger. So, add natin yung ating ginger and isutay lang natin siya. I really love the smell of the ginger, guys. Sobrang mabango siya. Para sa akin mas gusto ko yung maraming ginger kapag nagluluto. So, after ng ginger natin, guys, ilagay na natin yung ating shrimp. So, isutay lang natin ang ating shrimp, guys. And, mag-a-add lang ako dito ng itong ating salt para kahit papano may lasa yung shrimp natin. So, mag-a-add lang ako ng a little bit of salt. Then, I'm gonna add also a black pepper and ang ating dried coriander. So, i-mix lang natin to, guys. And let's combine all the spices na nilagay natin. The salt, the pepper, and the dried coriander. So guys, wait lang natin na maluto itong ating shrimp. And make sure na nag-turn na yung color ng ating shrimp. Kasi tatanggalin natin ito mamaya. And isi-separate kasi nga ayaw natin siya na ma-overcook. It's because tumitigas kasi yung shrimp natin kapag na-overcook siya. So, wait lang natin na ma-turn ng red or orange itong ating shrimp fully. So, matatanggal natin siya. So, kapag ang shrimp nyo ay medyo orange or reddish na yung color niya, so, tanggalin na natin siya, guys. And, i-separate muna natin siya. Itabi muna natin siya. So, let's remove the shrimp, guys. I think this one, it's okay na. So, tanggalin natin yung ating shrimp. So, once natanggal na natin yung shrimp guys, lagyan na natin itong ating mushroom. So, isutay lang natin yung ating mushroom guys. And, i-add ko na din dito later yung ating carrot and potato. So, yan. Let's add the potato and carrots guys, para maluto siya, kasi hindi ko na siya prinay kanina kasi kami lang naman ang kakain nito mag-asawa. So let's add this. So saute lang natin yung ating mushroom, potato, and ang ating carrots. Then, I'm gonna add also itong ating curry powder. So, kukunin ko lang itong curry powder, guys. So, maglalagay lang ako ng 2 teaspoon. So, 1 and 2 teaspoon. Yeah. 2 teaspoon lang, guys. Kasi ayaw natin ma-over yung taste ng curry. And then, i-mix lang natin to guys, and combine the curry powder sa ating vegetables. So let's just mix this. Then, I'm gonna add some little water para maluto yung ating potato and ang ating carrots. So, cover lang natin to guys until maluto ang ating vegetables. And let's wait for quite some time. So now our vegetables are cooked. Then let's bring back the shrimp. So balik natin yung shrimp guys, and i-mix lang natin to para yung flavor ng ating curry, it's manood siya sa shrimp. So yan, let's mix just this once more, and I'm gonna add, after this one, I'm gonna add our coconut milk, or you can use coconut cream, it's up to you. If you want coconut cream or coconut milk, you can use coconut powder as well. But for me, I'm using the coconut milk. So, yan. And let's mix it. So, kung medyo naboboringan na kayo or medyo nagsasawa na kayo sa chicken curry, you can try also shrimp curry, and napakasarap nito guys, I swear. Yung asawa ko, kapag ito yung ulam namin, nakakatatlong sandok siya ng kanin, and I'm guarantee you na magiging favorite nyo to guys. So let's wait na lang guys na mag-thickening yung ating sauce. So, ayan. So, after that, guys, mag-add ako nitong ating red bell pepper or ang ating capsicum. So, ayoko ng niluluto masyado yung capsicum, guys, kasi mas gusto ko siya ng medyo slightly fresh. So, I think that will be okay. And optional lang to, guys, kasi yung curry powder natin, it's little bit spicy. So, mag-a-add lang ako ng ilang butil ng sili dito. So, mag-a-add din ako nitong ating parsley. And, yan, okay na tong ating shrimp and mushroom curry. So, itry nyo to, guys, promise. Magugustuhan din to ng inyong mga asawa, mga anak, and everyone in your household na makakatikim nito. So, ayan, guys, ready na itong ating shrimp and mushroom curry. And, ayan, magsasandok na ako ng ating dinner for tonight. And, yeah, sabay-sabay natin siyang tikman. So guys, ito na ang ating shrimp and mushroom curry. And I hope na gusto nyo itong recipe na to, guys. And I hope na matry nyo din sa inyong mga bahay. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please do subscribe and i-click mo na yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga food recipe.